of 2 hours, a new Ilocano will be chosen as the most beautiful woman of the North. She will wear a new crown and a new mission. Welcome to Miss Ilocos Norte 2018.
Here they are. Let's meet our Miss Ilocos Norte 2018 candidates.
Natalie, 21, from the heated paradise of the North, Adam.
Trisha Carbonella Seren from the Balikbayan town of Ilocos Norte, Bacara! Micaela Bea Dagulo, 19, representing the chosen place of La Virgen Milagrosa, Municipality of Batok, Viva la Virgen!
Kyla Garvida, 21, from the home of the first commercial wind farm in Southeast Asia, Bangi.
Juana Mayoro, 16, from the home of entrepreneurs and innovators of rice coffee, the Municipality of Banang.
Naidumor Sol Marie, 19, from the home of great leaders, the city of Bataan.
Maria Joanna Veronica Lastimosa Espejo, 17, from the home of the Kapur Purawan Rock Formation, the Municipality of Burgos. Ren Denise Gaspar, 19, from the summer capital of the East, Carasir. Lynn Kayla Godoy, 18, from the home of Naklisan Festival, the Municipality of Corimao. Ellen Grace Valesha, 23, from the Rice Granary of Ilocos Norte, Municipality of Tigran.
Tila, 19, from the presidential awardee, Star-Friendly Municipality, Dumalnes. Marie Wenceslao Domingo, 17 years old, proud to represent the home of the legendary Pamalinawen, the Sunshine City of the North, Nawag City!
Quincy Lord Mio Eugenio, 18, from the melting pot of beauty and brilliance, Agbiag, Ili Di Marcos. Mayan Alejandro, 24, from the haven of Tigas, Nuevo Era. Angel Cruz, 18, from the most visited tourism destination in Region 1, Pagudpud.
We are the women of the North. We move with our heart and with our souls. We are the women of the North.
JV Mariel Kabundukan, 18, from the home of the UNESCO World Heritage Site of St. Augustine Church, Municipality of Poway. Angelica Sebo, 21, from the makers of Pinas Salt and famous Bizcocho, Pride of the North, Pasuki.
Lady Julia Raquel, 17, from the historic town of the Bazar Vault, the Municipality of Pitin. Maria Giagyang Makakulok, 19, the chosen lady of the chosen town, Pinili.
Sophia Gracious Zunico, 16, from the business center of Ilocos Norte and National Galing Folk Awardee for Best LGU Practices, San Nicolas.
Mariel Bianca Tulio, 20, from the birthplace of our brilliant President Ferdinand Edgerlin Marcos Municipality of Sarat!
Ronaldine Kahiman, 21, representing the Zone of the Rising Sun, Zona del Sol, Sol Zona!
Kay Angel Yacuba, 19, from the home of the mighty Chihuahua, the Municipality of Victor!
We are the women of the North. We move with our heart and with our souls. We are the women of the North. I am Ilocana.
Behold 13 women rajay on stage as they exhibit Ilocano artistry in the Miss Ilocos Norte 2018 Evening Gown Competition.
You ought to keep it concealed, just like I was a weapon. I didn't come for a fight, but I will fight till the end. And this one might be a battle, might not turn out okay. You know you look so Seattle, but you feel so LA. And I love the way you hurt me. It's irresistible.
What personal advocacy or project would you spearhead as Miss Ilocos Norte 2018 that you believe will allow you to serve your province better?
I will promote, I will preserve, and at the same time, I will tell everyone that we should love our culture. You are very active, young, vibrant, and full of fresh ideas. And with my lead, I will encourage them to safeguard our natural attractions, and we will be the frontliners in welcoming the tourists in Ilocos Norte. Thank you.
I want to preserve our culture and arts because this is our tradition. I am a woman of the North, of beauty with values. Thank you so much.
I would use my heart to open the closed minds of the youth to fill the gaps between hate and love and to inculcate the purpose in everyone's lives. And always bear in mind that think for the future and let your inner youth nurture. Thank you.
I will spread awareness to the youth about the activities that are being conducted by the government so that their attention will not be diverted into drugs or anything that would give them negative effects.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment you have all been waiting for. The announcement of our major winners.
Fourth runner-up, Miss Batak.
Third runner-up, Burgos.
Second runner-up, Miss Lawas.
First runner-up is Miss Bana.
And your Miss Ilocos Norte 2018 is no other than Miss Baccarat!